In this video, you will learn how to upload a completed interactive order form to create a new quote in Key Online. For this example, we will be using a completed Catalyst 4 order form. Blank forms can be found on the Order Forms tab on keymobility.com. To begin your new quote, click on Key Online and log in. Enter your email and password and click on Log In. If you're a first-time user, click here to sign up. Click on New Quote. The first listed option is the order form PDF import. Click Choose Files and select the completed order form you wish to use. Then click on Submit. Enter your shipping information, including the marked for name and customer reference information, if applicable. Please select the ordering branch for this quote and a shipping address. If a residential shipping address is needed, select Drop Ship Residential and fill in the address below. Please note that the use of a residential shipping address incurs an additional fee. Select an ATP from the list or select Other and enter a name. Click on Continue to proceed with your quote. You may receive a message like this one letting you know about configuration issues that need to be resolved. Click on Clear Messages. Click on Validate to see the list of configuration issues. Click on a feature name to jump to that selection. For more information on why an option is not available, click on the magnifying glass. Here we can see the 18-inch front seat height is not available because it's not compatible with the 70-degree extension tube mount footrest hanger. Click on Validate at any time to see any remaining issues. When you are done, click on Validate one last time, and we can see that all issues have been cleared. To add this product to your quote, click on Continue. If you proceed without validating, you may see a small yellow icon indicating your quote is not able to be completed because it has a missing or invalid selection. Please hit the Edit button to go back into the product configurator to validate your product prior to continuing. If you indicated additional products on your order form upload, you will see them listed here. To view or modify their configuration, click on Edit. When you are ready to submit your quote request, click on Complete Quote. Click on My Account. Locate your completed quote. You can download the quote summary by clicking here. And you can download the XML document by clicking here. The XML can then be added to your system. For more Key Online tutorial videos, go to keymobility.com, click on Resources, click on Video Tutorials, and then click on Keyo.